How's it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. In this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia. This is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 12. All right, you're retired, but it's not time to lounge around. Number 12, get active. It is so important to stay active, especially as you get older. Now, you may not be physically able to do the same things you were at age 20 or 30, but there's still things that you can do to keep active. One of the things that I find most important is not to sit for really long periods of time. Now, if you're in a career where you're in front of a desk or a computer for long periods of time, if you're working with the public, you may have spent a lot of time sitting. But it's so important, especially in retirement when you're not basically chained to a desk, is to get up and get moving. Maybe that's every 30 minutes, every 45 minutes, every hour. You don't have to go far. Go to the kitchen, get a glass of water, walk outside, check the mail, whatever it is, kind of get moving. And on top of that, make sure you get some form of exercise. Now, if it's like my mother and both of my parents really, when they retired, they did do some exercise. Now, my dad enjoyed going to the gym at the hospital where they had like a place for retired people to go, and he enjoyed getting on the treadmill and the bicycle and lifting a few weights and that kind of thing. Mama wanted to talk to people, and I kept telling her, you need a class, and she did. She had a class, a swim class that she joined. That was right up her alley. So find some kind of activity that you enjoy. If you like doing it on your own, do something on your own. If you like being around people, find some kind of class that you can be a part of, especially people your age, maybe at the local Y or a place of worship or some kind of community center. A lot of towns have senior citizens centers where you can take advantage of that, especially if you're over 60 or 65, and spend some time around others. Sometimes community centers also have a place where you can exercise on your own. Get active, whether it's moving around your home, whether it's just actually exercising. It is so important to be active. Now, of course, always check with your doctor to make sure whatever exercise that you're going to be doing is okay for you physically. But my guess, most doctors are going to encourage you to get active. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.